Alright, it's called a flowchart question, and QA is the one where we got lots of flowchart questions. A flowchart has very little English words. Whatever English words there are all the keywords. So it saved me a lot of time. Directly, I look at the keywords, I solve it. Alright, now, a flowchart like that, in case, alright, whoever teach you in school didn't teach properly, or they tell you the wrong thing, alright, or soon they're going to tell you the wrong thing, I better sort it out. If you take a look, right, the arrow like this, right, a flowchart people will always want to do this way. Make sense, everyone? They will always think like that. Okay, what I'm going to share with you in a while, you'll see me also, is that I will never run by alphabetical order, and I will never follow the direction. So how do I solve QA? So this is my strategy, right? To solve QA question, where is it? To solve QA, all right, flowchart question. Okay? I will never go by alphabetical order in terms of unknown solving. I will also never follow the arrow. Like, oh, people say must start from the top to bottom or the start to the end, I won't. Indeed, what I'll do is I always start with the one that is confirmatory, because I am very sure that is the answer. Keep it simple, basically the one that, all right, I'm very sure I got the answer. I got to start strong. Because first one, you got it wrong, all wrong way, like crossword puzzle, like Sudoku. And then you waste a lot of time trying to backtrack. I want to make sure the first one I get must be correct. And then I start to think. Okay? Don't have to go by order. So we know the topic is all about what? Test for cation, test for anion, test for the gases, yes, by and large these three, plus the earlier ABS topic, yes? So let's take a look what will happen over here. You tell me, right? I want to add one more. I put here, right? I want to add one more. I put arrow, no space. I will also take a look at the first question, or first part of the question. I'm going to look at A, also sometimes known as part 1. I'm going to look at it here. Sometimes they will not ask you to identify all the unknowns in the question. Why? Because you cannot solve them when the question gets difficult. And I believe towards the end, I have a question like this. It's not a part of the syllabus. So if you just go there, I think, okay, wow, it's a QA question. Then you never look at it. I try to solve W, X, Y, Z. You're in trouble because there's that one you cannot solve. And they never ask you to solve actually. So spend all the time there. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be very strategic. Once I saw the part A, they tell me W, X, Y, Z. And I take a look, A, all 4 are here. I'm very clear based on my good concepts, I can solve all of them easily. How you mean? It's solvable, basically what I'm saying. So always take a look at the first one, the first part of the question. This is called common sense. There's nothing to do with chemistry. Okay? Right, this is called strategy, it's called common sense. This is called street smart. Can I? Alright, so it's not just about memorizing, it's got to be street smart. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, let's play. Someone, can you tell me which one I should solve first? You have all the notes. Which one you confirm one, correct one? You tell me, sorry? Why? I agree. All right, must be why. I'm going to solve it first. This, I confirm solve it. Okay, those haven't learned from me or your school yet on this topic, all right? And if they're going to teach you soon, take a look how they teach you. This topic, most teachers don't like to teach. They ask you, the notes are there, let's do some question. They don't discuss at all. Okay? So I might want to take note of it. All right, focus. This is carbon dioxide. Why? Because I know that if I bubble into aqueous calcium hydroxide, which is who? This is your lime water. I will see a white precipitate. That's a fact, yeah? And therefore, I double solve. I also solve this. Who is the white precipitate? Someone? Calcium carbonate. Okay, so this is a test for CO2. Then calcium carbonate, you tell me, once I solve already, When I add excess dilute acid to it, one link to another, it will form this. Can I know this blue color here? All arrow is one chemical reaction. What is the name of this chemical reaction? Every reaction has a name. This is called neutralization. Not really, almost that. We don't call neutralization. This is called acid. It's not base. It is a carbonate reaction. Acid react carbonate will give you salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So X is basically your salt solution. Make sense? Can someone tell me what is the salt solution and therefore what is X? Calcium chloride. Done. The green color here, let me just write it out. This is a test for CO2. All my square bracket refers to the reaction name. All right? So that you can recap. In case you're not very strong with them yet. Next, when you add silver nitrate to calcium chloride, what is this test known as? Someone, please help. What reaction name is this, or is the test for what? Test for what means it's a QA, which one? Someone go. Be confident, wrong, never mind. Anion, all right? We add what? We add silver nitrate. We are looking at silver. Silver kiss which Juliet there? Ladies and gentlemen, kiss your? Look for who? Chloride ion. And therefore, this is your white precipitate. This is a test for Cl minus ion. In exam, what we did just now, you should have done it in 5 seconds. Else too slow. Because it's very easy. All right, now we're practicing. We just started. This is our first question. All right. And I run. So each of them here is 1 mark. Okay. And this linked to your practical. Will you be doing this experiment? Yes. Something similar. Okay. Your hands on. Okay. But this is in the form of a theory question. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.